Yo, yo, yo! Another installment for Your Ass is Hungry Now. Today we're making tzatziki.
Tzatziki, that freaky deaky, delicious Greek sauce that you want to put on everything with your naan, on your kofta, anything you really want.
Yo, me and tzatziki with rafiki.
We get freaky.
Woo!
You feel me? Alright, let's get into our recipe.
Boom. Alright, we're gonna start by zesting and juicing 1 lemon. We're gonna grate 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna chiffonade about a tablespoon of parsley. We're gonna chiffonade about 3/4 of a tablespoon of mint. Alright, we're gonna put this off to the side.
Now it's time to process our cucumber. So I got about 3/4 of a cup of grated cucumber. I'm gonna throw it in a bowl here. You're gonna throw about a teaspoon of salt on it. Mix it up. The salt's just gonna draw out any excess water in the cucumber. We'll juice it out so our tzatziki isn't too runny. See all that liquid that's beginning to come out of our cucumbers here? I'm gonna give these a strain. Put them in the bowl with the rest of our garlic and herbs. Just gonna really press it and get out a lot of that extra liquid.
If you have a cheesecloth kicking at home, it's always great. You can wrap it up in there and just give the same kind of pressure to alleviate all the excess juice.
Into the bowl it goes.
We're gonna add about a teaspoon of our extra virgin olive oil. Good. We're going to add 1 cup of Greek yogurt. We're gonna finish with a little bit of cracked pepper. Alright, that's our tzatziki, baby. Let's dig in.
Ooh, this shit looks freaky.
Fresh.
Nice bite. Refreshing. Be great with some naan.
You get a little bit of dill, spinach on top, a little fresh dill.
Exactly.
Pop it up.
Now that, bring it all together.
Yeah.
Make it delicious.
Awesome.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. We'll be back with another one in a couple days.
Hope you're hungry now.
Love you, bye. My new thing. Alleviation.
Penetration.
Fruitvale Station.
Futile.
Erectile.